Hi guys, my name is Joseph Precious and I'm a physics and math teacher, and today we have a problem on mathematics from the external examination body WAEC 1988, and this particular question falls under the category of statistics, and I would explain a bit and we solve problems. So solution, we are asked to find the mode, and the mode from what we all know is considered the highest occurring item, and frequency talks about the number of times something make appearances or happens. So the mode happens to be the item which occurs the highest. Now under the scores of items we have the frequencies, of which 7 tends to be the greatest. So the mode here is 4. The next one we have is the median. The median happens to be item at the center when arranged. All right, when arranged. So if we arranged this, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. This is very chronological or consecutive. It is in order, ascending order. And then the item which might be at the center can only be gotten provided we sum the total number of frequency, which in this case we have 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4 again, which would give you 13. 13 plus 7 will give you 20. So we have 20 here as the total number of items here. And if median is the center of the data distribution, which that means the center of 20 happens to be 11. The center happens to be 11, 11 and 10. Of which, if we have 11 and 10 to be the center for even data distribution, we have to add up the items and divide it by 2 to find the average median. So here, we're going to keep adding until we find the item which falls under 11 and 10. So this plus this gives me 5, plus this gives me 9. So here we have 10 and 11. 3 happens to fall under this category. So we have 3, which is the 10th item, plus 3, which is the 11th item, divided by 2, which would give you 3 also. So the median here is also 3. Now the next one we want to talk about is the mean. The mean, being a measure of central tendency, is given by sum of items, total number of items, divided by sum of each items according to its occurrence, divided by the total number of items. So if we wanted to do that, we are going to have to multiply each and every of these items by its frequency, and then we can add them up. So I'm creating a new table here, and I'm going to call it so this times this gives you 0, this times this gives you 3, this times this gives you 8, this times this gives you 6, this times this gives you 28, this times this gives you 10. Adding everything in this particular row, we have 3 plus this 11, 11 plus this gives me 17, 27, 47, 55. So we have here 55. All right. Now that being said, we can say that 55 divided by 20 becomes the value of the median, of which in this case, if 5 were to go here, we have 4. 5 were to go here, would have 11. So 11 divided by 4 should be giving me 2 whole number. All right, 4, which in decimal sense it would be, the mean would be 2.75. So class, have a wonderful day and bye.